Hey guys, so real quick, I'm going to show you what the institutional order blocks will look like coming in somewhat real time. I'm going to speed it up just a little bit. Let's just jump into it. I'll explain along the way. So this was from this morning. This is the SPY 1 minute chart, and I'm going to go ahead and press play here. Okay, you'll see here starting to play out. Okay, this is right before market open, and then boom here, right about just before market open, we see. I'm gonna pause it here. We get a red institutional order block come in. Okay, look, it's completely red. There's absolutely no green buy volume there. Okay, this would be a great entry on a short position here, just off the order block alone. So let's have it continue to play out. Um, okay, so I hit pause and I slowed it down a little bit. Let's speed it up a little bit more. Um, okay. And then you'll see here we get that huge dump. Okay. And then I'm going to pause it here. We get another one that comes in. I want to show you the difference between these two. All right. Look how much buy volume, look how much more green there is, besides the red here compared in the bottom one, right? Compared to the top one, there's literally no green. And you can see the difference there in the price action as well. Okay, so the top bar will be ideal, whereas the bottom one will be it's still bearish, but you can see there's way more buy volume there in that second bar. Um, so I'm going to let it play out because we get a bullish one here. So I'm going to let this continue to play out. And you'll see here, we start to get some, some buys in, right? But still no clear direction. And then you'll see here, right about, I think it was right after this after this big red candle, we start to see some of that buy volume come in. And then right about here, boom, I'm going to pause it. We get our buy signal and we have a green bar here. Okay, so this is a bullish bar. And you can see here there was more buy volume than sell volume, as is evident between the bigger green than red bars and the internal bars. From there, the price, I'm going to unhit pause here, and you can see the price action, the big bullish move here after that. So I just wanted to show you guys essentially how this thing worked, and I tried to keep it as short as I can. So thanks for watching. Hope this helps.